Okay, so Ms. Jackson, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. Second offense, you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. What you really need to get out of this is one thing, when you leave here after today, I don't care what you do, right? As long as you don't endanger my public. Like you get into a car, if you have alcohol on board, it's going to be a problem. Even if you're not drunk, it doesn't matter. An officer's going to pull up your record. They're going to see DWI, theft. They're going to give you a hard time regardless. I don't care how peachy, how bubbly, how nice you are. Your record speaks for itself. They're going to assume that you have a tolerance and they're going to charge you with what now? And then what?
Jail time.
Nope. Prison time. Up to 10 years in prison. And then you pick up a felony DWI, I can all but guarantee CPS will make an appearance in your life. And if you think it's bad now, wait till CPS gets involved. It's a veritable nightmare, not to mention a hurricane of fees that will go out of your pocket. I mean, anytime CPS gets involved, it's a complete nightmare, not just to you and your family, but to your pocketbook, because you're gonna have to hire a lawyer. And fighting CPS, it's never a pretty sight. All that can be avoided is that if you're gonna drink, just don't get into a car. All you have to do is pick up your damn phone, push a button, and you can have a car waiting for you to take you wherever you want to go for $20. As part of this agreement, you're pleading guilty to this DWI. You will be pleading to 30 days in jail. You will be receiving 2 days credit. Like I said, it'll be going on your record. I also have here that you have a prior DWI from here, actually. You have a prior DWI from 22 here in court 5 with us. Is this true or untrue?
True.
True to the enhancement. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated, second offense?
Guilty.
I will find you guilty. I'm going to suspend your license for 1 year. I will tell you that this also comes with a fine to DPS that you're responsible to pay $6,000.
She was appointed, she was found previously indigent in your court.
Why? Why would we reward her when, it's like, it's one thing after the other. And her pleading guilty to me now says that she did drink the other day. We're literally rewarding for just one thing after. I mean, how do we get through to you, Ms. Jackson?
Sir, I was not drinking the other day. I haven't drunk in months, and I'm actually excited about that. I don't have any desire to drink. I'm focused on continuing to be on the right path and changing my life and my actions. So you're not rewarding me for my bad behavior, because I'm actually doing the things that you inquired of me to do. My AA, and I'm enjoying it.
Judge, she has come to our office several times and brought in proof that she's been attending AA and doing what she's supposed to do.
I haven't seen anything.
I have my paperwork here, so I brought it.
You do? Yeah.
If she has a bunch of AAs and she showed it to me, I'll waive the fee. So what turn-in date do you want?
She can go
Okay.
the day after her child's meeting at school.
Okay, we'll do September 5th by 6 p.m. Thank you, Steve. I'll waive this before you. Above all else, the only thing I'm going to ask you to do is that if you're going to drink, I'm going on a date this weekend. Haven't gone on a date in forever. I'm going on a date Saturday. How do you think I'm gonna go?
An Uber?
Because I want to drink a lot. But I'm gonna
Don't
take an
drink too
Uber.
much. That's not sexy. Don't drink too much. It's not sexy.
I'm not gonna let loose, but I'm gonna have fun because they have all these hoity-toity drinks and I love that stuff, but I'm gonna do it responsibly. And it might cost me an extra $40, but I know I'm gonna make it home.
Yes, sir.
That's what we do. And that's responsibility. And that's caring for your kids because your life is not about you anymore. It's about your kids and they're going to emulate you. And if they see you act like a fool out there, then those kids, if you don't treat them with love and respect and you don't show them how to act, when they turn to teenagers, they're going to be hell on wheels. And there's nothing worse than, what's the saying is hell has no fury than a scorned woman and a scorned teenager, because a scorned teenager can really make your life a living hell. And if you don't show them right now, you're going to get a double time when they turn teenagers. I promise you. That's what you do. All right. I will find you guilty. I will follow the agreement. Good luck to you, Ms. Jackson. Okay. We'll allow you to turn in on that day. You have to turn yourself in by 6. Don't be late. If you're late, they're not going to take you, and then we're going to have a whole other host of problems. Okay.
6 p.m.
At 6 p.m. on the 5th.
Okay.
Okay. Once she has jail time, at that point, we'll take all the devices off. Okay. And stay on. And you can't drink.
Yes, sir,
You're
I'm
still on
not.
bond, just so you know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Until you satisfy your sentence at that point, then we have no further jurisdiction over you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good luck, Ms. Jackson. Thanks for coming.
That's all I got.